Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana. I am coming up with basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem. This is for students of class 10th. Now, every theorem has four parts: statement, given, to prove, construction, and proof. Statement is always given to you. You have to write the remaining four parts, that is given, to prove, construction, and proof. Now, here the statement is: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Now look here. This is DE. It is parallel to BC. It has been drawn parallel to BC. What it says: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. Other two sides are AB and AC. And this line is intersecting these at A, at D and E. Now, what is the result? The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. No, they have been divided at D and E respectively. So AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. This we have to prove. We have to prove. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. And it is intersecting AB at D and AC at E. So we have to prove that AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Construction: join BE and CD and draw DG. Look here, this is DG. DG perpendicular on AC and EF perpendicular on AB. So why we are drawing the perpendiculars? We want to find the area. For area you need base into height. Height was not there, that is why we have drawn these two perpendiculars. Now look here, let us go to the proof side. Area of triangle ADE, look here, ADE. Take AD as the base because we want AD here, and area will be half into base into height. Half into base AD into height is EF. Now let us go to DB. In this triangle BDE, let us find the area. It is half, base is BD or DB, and perpendicular is EF, and perpendicular is EF. So half into DB into EF, half into base into height, half into base into height. This is base and this is height. What is cancelled? Half is cancelled. What is cancelled here? EF is cancelled. What is remaining? AD over DB. Similarly, let us go to a triangle where AE is there. Look here, AE is here in triangle AED. So we will take this triangle and find the area. And EC is here. We will take the triangle DEC and perpendicular is here, DG. So it is half AE into DG over half into EC into DG. So what you find? Half is cancelled, DG is cancelled. What we get? AE over EC. Now, if left side is equal to left hand side, right side will become equal to right side and it will be proved. Now, why the left hand sides are equal? Here triangle BDE, look here, BDE and ADB, and triangle DEC. BDE and DEC. They are on the same base DE and they are between the two parallels. Then if two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, their areas are equal. So look here, यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल ADE है, यहाँ पे भी ADE है, यहाँ BDE है और CED है, BDE है और CED है, लेकिन ये इक्वल है क्योंकि they are on the same base between the same parallel sides. So left side is equal to left hand side, right hand side will be equal to right hand side, and right hand side is AD over DB and AE over EC. They will be equal. So this is how we have to prove it. Hope you might have understood. And easy way to remember is part over part is equal to part over part. Look here, AD is part of AB. DB is also part of AB. Part over part is equal to part over part. इधर part कौन सा है? AE. इधर दूसरा part कौन सा है? EC. So part over part is equal to part over part. This is how you have to remember. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. Hope you like it, and I'll request you to subscribe it so that you get, whenever I upload a video, you will get the information immediately and you can see this. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on watching my videos and subscribe it. Thank you.